In today's video, I'll be showing you how to invite friends on Temu. Now, referring friends to Temu is actually a very quick and simple process, and if you follow the steps mentioned in this video, you'll be able to invite your friends and earn free gifts. So the first thing you need to do is open up Temu, and you just want to sign into your account. From here, we can go to the bottom of the app, and we're just going to click on You. That will take us to this page, and what we want to do from here is to scroll down a little bit, and we can click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Now, if you're from a different country, you might see this option where it says click for cash, and you can just click that instead to get taken to this page. However, if you do see this earn credits and free gifts option, we can click on that. And from there, you can go to the second option, which is click for cash. So from there, we get taken to this affiliate program page, and this is how we can actually make money and earn gifts from Temu. So we can just scroll down a little bit, and here you can see all the referrals you can get. So if you want a $100 coupon bundle, you can do that first link there. However, if you did want to earn free gifts, we can go down to the free gifts option and we can click share. From there, we'll be able to share our referral code using any social media of our choice, or we can simply copy the code or copy the link. From there, all you have to do is send this link to your friends or family, and they can open that link and create an account. And once you've done that, you will have successfully invited a friend on Temu. So that's how you can refer a friend on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.